It looks like the lion's mane.
Yo, it's Mem, and we're gonna be touring Lake Atitlan today. Look at the ridiculous view that we have here. Pan back to me, come back to this beautiful face. Let me show you the apartment, because we always do MTV wherever I'm at cribs. So MTV San Marcos, this is the town San Marcos. This is the bungalow that we're renting out, Airbnb. I'm paying $25 a night to stay here. No more talking, let's just show you what the crib's about, all right? Let's start upstairs.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Let's get the view first. Ignore my silhouette if there's a silhouette on there. I mean, look how good that is. So this spot is the top balcony. There's another balcony downstairs, which I'll show you in a little bit. But right up here is pretty much like an open, how would I say, like an open air. Are you still recording? There's no actual like prevention of bugs coming in, but it's like really nice because the airflow just moves throughout the apartment. You got a couch over here. You got a bathroom and a shower. Let's walk in the shower. Toilet, this, and then you got a shower here. Come here. Look at this. This goes all the way out. Sometimes you get hot water, sometimes you don't. The only rule of this apartment is that if you don't pay rent, you get your ass clapped, okay? Exhibit A. You don't pay rent, you don't get to live. The walls here are actually not walls, they're like bamboo poles, and they're pretty strong. I mean, I think bamboo's pretty strong. So let's go. All right, so kitchen here. I mean, pretty standard stuff: oven, water. You can cook if you want, and we'll just keep moving on. One thing to note: this is also a bathroom, and the funny thing is, it's in the middle of the house. So if you like want to go through stuff, you have to announce whenever you're taking a poop. There's a bathroom upstairs, so we designate the top bathroom for pooping, the middle bathroom for like hand washing, brushing your teeth, plucking your nose hairs. But gets the job done. Pretty standard. Oh, I want to show you something though. Hang on. Let me.
Oh, and the painting?
Yeah, I have to censor this because of YouTube. But imagine behind my hands, very voluptuous melons. Why it's not in front of you while you're pooping, I have no idea. But the host did a good job to make a subtle Easter egg in this house. Wow. Next is the second balcony. This is my favorite part. This is probably the highlight of the house. You got a little hammy here. Let me show you how it's done. Obviously it's built for my size because of the way that I got in. Super easy. And then you have an amazing view that if you want to chill here, you can sip a coffee, drink tequila, throw up after, whatever you want to do, right? And also the good thing to note is that if you want to work out here too, there's some outlets. Zoom in on those Audis. Yeah, this way. And don't mind me just doing some cleaning before you get in here. Oh, look, it's spotless. Shit. You got a bedroom here. There's a shower here as well. Office space looks out pretty standard. I mean, you got a little like... No, I'm not gonna sit on this because obviously this hug can't hold all of this right here. We got a lot of McDonald's in me, so you know you can't fuck with this right here. This is what I read at night. The bedroom actually opens up. Same balcony from before, but we close it here because bugs get in. So this spot's good for 2 people max. Next, I'm going to be showing you this town that I'm in called San Marcos, which is what I like to say like the hippie joint. I love hippies, but you'll see why I say that later. You'll see like a city over on that across the lake. You can actually go there with a boat. And I'll be taking you on a boat ride from San Marcos to San Pedro. All right. That was the apartment that we came out of. Catch that?
Yeah, I did.
And the rule of this road that we're on is that you go down, but you don't go up. The reason is because if you have grandma knees like me, you're gonna hate your life.
Not like that guy though.
Hola, amigo. You'll find many tuk-tuks on this road to go to the main part of the city, right here. These range anywhere from 10 to 20 depending on if they can tell that you're foreign or not. And right now we're going to like the main road of San Marcos. So where we're at is like a big hill. We're just going through this like cobble road to get to the main part. So that's essentially where we're going right now. So this is the way to the dock. It's the main city, like the main part of San Marcos, the hub. And when you go to the dock, you'll see shops on the left and right hand side, coffee, restaurants, markets, like pretty much the main poppin' spot of San Marcos. So I'm gonna be taking you through there, and yeah, let's go. General culture here is that a lot of people enjoy yoga and their spirituality, so a lot of people are dressed kind of more relaxed, more like spiritual in a sense, I would say, and I obviously fit right in. But you'll notice that if you walk through these streets, people are walking barefoot. Sometimes they're wearing like, I don't know, maybe no underwear or something like that. Come here for spiritual reasons and for yoga, so that's what San Marcos is kind of known for, is like the spiritual aspect of that kind of stuff. There's a lot of yoga here, so.
1 second.
So you'll see here at the end of this street there's a dock, and then you can take this dock literally to any other part. There's multiple little spots. We're going to San Pedro, so.
You go now?
Yeah,
How about?
yeah, let's do it.
This guy's taking us on the boat. 15 quetzal to go to San Pedro, so that's what we're doing. Stay fun. Just waiting on the boat to fill up, and then we'll get going. So my first impressions of San Pedro is that it's definitely a lot busier than San Marcos. It has a different vibe. It's more like a city kind of feel. Lots of restaurants here, and then obviously overlooking the lake. but it seems like it's like a mini city, kind of like a mini town. It's like San Marcos feels more like a village, and this actually feels like a little bit of a city. So we'll just continue going down and checking it out. You'll notice that there's a bunch of restaurants on the shore here. We've been walking past through this alleyway, and on the right side there's just so many restaurants and coffee shops that you can go in and enjoy coffee or eat lunch at. So that's what we're trying to do right now. We're just trying to find a restaurant that looks good, and hopefully that's by the water. So we found this restaurant called Sublime. It's like a seafood, you got pizza, like everything. I got fish tacos. What'd you get?
Burrito.
I got a burrito. We're just gonna enjoy the view behind me and eat, and I'll show you what the food looks like when it gets here. All right, so I got fish tacos here, fries. Shivam got a burrito, it looks like. It's shrimp in there, some fish, and I don't know what this stuff is, but guac probably, and some mayo. So I'm just gonna dive in. All right, that's it. We toured San Pedro, you saw San Marcos, and now we're just gonna go back and, I don't know, chill around, find out what we're gonna do next. And thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe for more travel content and more MTV Cribs shit. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.